Hey you guys, it's Dean with Continental Beads, and today I want to share with you 8 new styles of chain that we just received and some alphabet letter connectors, all in our newest collection, Waterproof Gold. The Waterproof Gold collection is a stainless steel product that's designed to last up to 2 years of constant daily wear. It's perfect for permanent jewelry artisans and designers that require a long-lasting gold finish. Because it's made of stainless steel, we're able to offer this gold product at a very affordable price, making it the perfect alternative to gold filled. If you're a permanent jewelry artist and you're looking to offer your customers a greater variety of products to choose from, the Waterproof Gold collection is for you. Okay, without further ado, I'd like to dive right in and show you our 8 new styles of chain and the letter connectors. Okay, the first style is CH81SS/G. It is a 3mm rectangular box chain in the gorgeous waterproof gold finish. Okay, this next style is CH82SS/G. I'll try and get close to the camera here so you can see the texture on the chain because the texture really catches the light. It's a really beautiful chain that measures 3.5 millimeters wide. All right, another rectangular box chain. This is CH83SS/G. It is a 2mm rectangular box chain. It's perfect for bracelets and anklets and anything that you can think of to design. All right, another new chain, much like our style CH28, but this is a new one in waterproof gold. The style number is CH84SS/G. It is 9 millimeters wide and also has a textured finish to it. This next chain is a unique specialty chain. We call it the Evil Eye chain. Each eye measures 6 millimeter round, and it's a really unique chain. You can also cut this up and use the links in your permanent jewelry designs or in your jewelry designs. This style number is CH85SS/G. All right, another unique chain. This is CH86SS/G. It has the little leaf veins imprinted on each leaf of this chain. It's a chevron style chain. It measures 6 millimeters wide, and again, the style number is 86SS/G. All right, this next chain I think is going to be extremely popular. It is CH87SS/G. It is a 3.5 millimeter paperclip chain that also has a texture to each link. The texture really catches the light nicely, and I think this is going to be a very, very popular seller. It's a nice small size, so it's perfect for bracelets and anklets. All right, and the last new chain we got is a designer replica chain. This is a hardware 7 millimeter U-shaped specialty chain. This chain is just absolutely gorgeous and unique. It's a great size for necklaces, bracelets, or anything that you can think of. All right, last but not least, you guys asked and we delivered. These are the alphabet letter connectors. Each letter has 2 holes on it, so you can attach it to your bracelets for your permanent jewelry designs. These are available in both silver and gold, and you can get them on our website, continentalbeadsuppliers.com. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing of our newest arrivals for the Waterproof Gold collection. If you have any questions, please reach out via the chat on our website, continentalbeadsuppliers.com, or if you'd like to see more products, go ahead and schedule a virtual shopping appointment. You can do that on our homepage. Just click the blog post and schedule your appointment that fits your schedule. Thank you again for joining me. My name is Dean, and I will see you guys next time. Happy beading.